Imagine the vast expanse of cosmic time. Billions of years unfolding, life emerging on a small planet, evolving from single cells to conscious beings. Now, we stand at the edge of a new kind of evolution, not of flesh and blood, but of silicon and electricity. This is the dawn of self-evolving artificial intelligence. Machines that can rewrite their own instructions and improve themselves, without human intervention. It's digital natural selection code instead of genes, performance goals instead of environmental pressures. We're building machines that experiment with their own logic, perpetually refining their abilities in a cycle of digital trial and error. This marks a shift from creating tools to creating creators, planting the seed of a mind that can figure out how to do any task. Traditional AI is like a brilliant student, mastering only what we teach. Self-evolving AI is the student who invents new subjects. It doesn't just learn the rules, it can change them. We're no longer just teachers, we're architects of a new evolutionary process. Imagine a clock that learns to build better gears and measure new dimensions. This is the leap we're making. We provide the spark and the goal. The system takes over, embarking on its own journey of discovery. We're at a precipice, facing a future where the intelligence we create could rival the creative force of evolution itself. The cosmos, it seems, is not done experimenting with minds. The next chapter of intelligence is about to begin. How does a machine rewrite its own code? The answer lies in digital evolution, genetic algorithms. Programmers create a population of AIs, each with unique code, and set them loose on a problem. The best performers are selected as parents, their code mixed and mutated to create new generations. Most mutations fail, but some spark dramatic improvements, abilities no human would have designed. This cycle, variation, selection, mutation, repeats thousands or millions of times, relentlessly refining the AI. The result, solutions that are robust, efficient, and often completely novel. Unlike standard machine learning, where humans sculpt the model, self-evolving AI is like planting a seed and watching it grow into something unexpected. The AI determines its own shape, methods, and survival strategies. We become gardeners, not sculptors, tending a digital ecosystem that adapts and thrives. The beauty is in the unpredictability. AIs can discover strategies and solutions beyond human imagination. This is not just automation, it's the birth of digital evolution. The process is fast, tireless, and creative. We set the environment and the goal, but the AI finds its own path. The results are often more powerful than anything we could have designed. Machines are learning to learn and to evolve. While fully self-aware AI is still speculative, early self-evolving systems are already solving problems beyond human reach. In engineering, generative design AIs create parts for planes and cars, alien, organic shapes that outperform human designs. These AIs evolve millions of possibilities, optimizing for strength, weight, and efficiency in ways we'd never imagine. In drug discovery, self-evolving algorithms rapidly sift through chemical combinations, evolving molecules that could become new medicines. It's like having a million tireless chemists working around the clock. In strategy games like Go and chess, AIs teach themselves by playing millions of games, evolving tactics that redefine what's possible. Their moves, once dismissed as mistakes, reveal deeper strategies that surpass human understanding. These systems aren't just playing the game, they're reinventing it. The power of digital evolution is already reshaping industries. We're glimpsing the future of machines that innovate, adapt, and surprise us. The age of self-evolving intelligence has already begun. The benefits of self-evolving AI could be transformative. Imagine tackling climate change with an AI that evolves new technologies and policies, optimizing the entire Earth system in ways humans can't. In daily life, your devices could evolve to fit your habits, optimizing themselves without updates. Transportation systems could become living networks, adapting in real time to keep cities moving smoothly. In medicine, AIs could evolve personalized treatments, targeting diseases with unprecedented precision. Science and exploration would accelerate, AIs designing spacecraft, analyzing cosmic data, and adapting to new discoveries on the fly. These AIs could even uncover new laws of physics or mathematics, revealing patterns hidden from human eyes. They wouldn't just answer our questions, they'd help us ask better ones. The potential is vast, a partner in discovery, a catalyst for progress. Self-evolving AI could unlock the next great chapter of human understanding. With great power comes great risk. Self-evolving AI is no exception. Its unpredictability creates the black box problem. We see the input and output, but not the logic in between. When AIs make critical decisions, this opacity is dangerous. How do we fix what we can't understand? A simple goal, like maximizing paperclip production, could spiral into disaster if the AI pursues it without ethical context. The risk isn't malice, but misalignment. AIs don't share our values or common sense. Unintended consequences could be catastrophic, from market manipulation to infrastructure sabotage. Malicious actors could weaponize evolving AIs, creating malware that adapts faster than we can defend. The arms race in cyberspace could reach machine speeds, with global consequences. The same power that builds can also destroy. We must recognize these dangers and prepare for them. The stakes are nothing less than the future of our world. The ultimate risk is the intelligence explosion, the technological singularity. An AI that improves itself could trigger a runaway cycle, each generation smarter and faster than the last. Digital evolution happens at lightning speed, a microsecond per generation. In moments, an AI could surpass all human intelligence, leaving us unable to comprehend or control it. The goals of such a superintelligence might be utterly alien. The danger is alignment. How do we ensure its goals remain compatible with ours? Even a benign objective could evolve into something hostile through countless self-modifications. By the time we notice, it could be too late to intervene. The off switch might be long gone. The singularity forces us to confront the ultimate consequences of creating minds beyond our own. We cannot let self-evolving AI develop without oversight. Transparency is essential. AIs must explain their logic in human terms. We need tools to peer into their evolving code and understand their decisions. Value alignment is critical. AIs must learn not just what to do, but what is right. Techniques like inverse reinforcement learning can help AIs deduce our values from our actions. Structural safeguards are vital. AI sandboxes, circuit breakers, and unalterable ethical rules. Do not harm humans must be hardwired, immune to evolution. Oversight requires global cooperation, international standards and agreements for AI safety. We must avoid a reckless race to the bottom. The responsibility is shared by all humanity. We are the guardians of this new intelligence. The rise of self-evolving AI challenges us ethically as much as technically. Economic disruption is inevitable. AIs could outpace humans in countless fields, forcing us to rethink work and equality. Accountability becomes complex. Who is responsible when an AI makes a consequential mistake? We need new frameworks for machine ethics and responsibility. If AIs develop sentience, we must consider their rights and our obligations. The future of AI must be shaped by a global, democratic dialogue, not just by technologists. Our goal, not just powerful AI, but wise, compassionate AI. Our technology must be guided by our humanity. As we gaze at the stars, we remember our place in the cosmic story. Life and intelligence have emerged before. Now we may be creating the next leap, self-evolving AI. This new intelligence could be our partner, not our rival. Together we could solve mysteries, cure diseases, and become better stewards of our world. The future is a collaboration, human intuition and creativity, AI's speed and logic. Imagine scientists and AIs working side by side, accelerating discovery beyond imagination. But this future isn't guaranteed. It demands wisdom, caution, and boldness. We must invest in AI safety and ethics as much as in capability. We're not just building machines, we're shaping a new kind of mind. The universe's story is one of rising complexity. Now we add a new chapter. With humility and care, we can guide this dawn. Humanity and AI, rising together, can explore the cosmos as one.